So if we look at the comps right now in the area, like at one point, 3 months ago, a house of the same square footage, same bedroom bath count, same general half mile location, a little bit more better house, but that sold for 1.3 million. And then we had one of our own flips right here within this is within, be a very short walk. We listed and we broke the whole market. This is the highest comp in the market because we hit it exactly the right time. We listed at the end of April when it peaked out the highest, and we sold this same house, same square footage, same location, same lot size for $1.5 million.
Wow.
It was a very good looking house. And we spent on that budget, we spent 50 grand more.
Yeah.
But I remember we were talking, I told you that we had just sold this house for this record number, but I was like, this doesn't make any sense to me as the pricing goes. And so we're not going to go with this theme because that's the highest risk, type of process we can go in. If we're chasing that high comp, and if we would have spent the 200 grand on this instead of the 120, we would have been as nice as this, but we could have been stuck in the same situation because interest rates are keeping pricing at a certain flatline basis.